Hey guys, today I wanted to create this video to share with you insights on several biotech stocks that I feel can have significant bull runs, especially given that these stock prices are at a discount right now. I mean, how long can these biotech stocks go on a discount for, right? I mean, we've just seen downward trajectory. However, what goes down will eventually go up, and I really believe that these stocks will start gaining on positive proceeds. Now, let's say if you're new to this channel, I would really appreciate you hit the like and subscribe for more related content. Let's begin. Now, the first stock I wanted to talk about is Sorrento Therapeutics. This is a biotech company based out in San Diego. They're working on a wide variety of antiviral treatments, specifically focused on cancer and the COVID-19. In fact, they have diagnostics, antiviral treatment, and therapies for this disease. Where the current share price is, I feel like it's definitely undervalued. I mean, it's 52-week range at one point. It went in the double-digit share price range. At one point in 2020, it ran all the way up to like $20 plus. Now at $2, I believe that it will start gaining traction. At a minimum, it will gain 2-3x by this year. And I believe Henry G will start positioning this company towards milestone achievements. So let's just hold on tight and wait to hear from Covey Sticks, Covey Track, all of the good products that they're working on. Eventually, it will start getting out. Next company I wanted to talk about is Inovio Pharmaceuticals, ticker INO. I like this company too because it's definitely underpriced right now, and the fact that it has about 15 DNA immunotherapy vaccines working on COVID-19 vaccine, dysplasia, various cancers, glioblastoma, RRP, you name it. It has state-of-the-art technology where it will advance medical unmet needs in the short and long-term course. And we know that it has drug products in phase 1, 2, and 3 clinical trials. So I believe INO will start positioning for success. It's been in clinical trials for many years and it's demonstrated safety and efficacy with its data. So I believe that INO 4800 will start gaining traction too, because with COVID-19 not really going away and with it evolving, INO is just going to be moving forward. I mean, it's just a matter of time for it to release its product and then gain traction and start gaining market share in the long-term course, right? So that's why I believe that INO is a company not to ignore and that the share price is undervalued at this time. Next company I wanted to talk about is Vaxart, an interesting biotech company based out in San Francisco. This company is working on an oral pill specific for the COVID-19. So rather than taking a vaccine injection, you can actually take this, just pop it in your mouth and let it immunize you. However, it's still in clinical trials at this time and it hasn't been clinically approved yet. However, we know that with its current data in phase 1 clinical trials, it's demonstrating safety. Now it just needs to prove itself with efficacy, and the fact that we hear there's shutdowns for COVID around the world right now, that just tells you there's a degree of seasonality. While it warms up in North America, in other parts of the world like Australia, the southern hemispheres like Brazil, it'll be winter time, and that's when the virus will start traveling towards the southern hemisphere and vice versa when the seasons change. And that's why I really believe that convenience will come into play, and that's why Vaxart is a company that investors will look into. And if and when it's able to demonstrate positive data with its drug product, I believe that Vaxart will start gaining with its share price and at a minimum get back up to its prior resistance. As you can see, back in April of last year, it ran up to close to $11 at one point. If we look at it from a 5-year range, it at one point got up to the low 20s. So that just tells you Vaxart has potential. Next company I wanted to talk about is OCGN. Why is the company stock jumping today, right? Well, we know that since there's been just new variant strains popping up in the combination of Omicron and Delta, the whole world is gaining confidence that COVID-19 isn't going away, and that's why the Covaxin vaccine is looking very promising. And as a result, the share price went up by about 16% today, where it's currently priced at $2.70, given that its price was anchored at $17 previously. That tells you it's undervalued, and if you park your money here, you can potentially gain on significant positive proceeds. And let's not ignore Covaxin and how it's getting regulatory approval in other parts of the world like India, because the clinical benefits outweigh the risks. So that's my takeaway, and I hope that these four stocks give you insight on the potential of it gaining traction in the long-term course. Thank you. I appreciate it if you would hit the like and subscribe for more related content. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.